Dear IKEA customers, please ensure to keep wearing a protective mask while shopping, while committing to living a distance of 1.5 meters at least at all times.
Salam Alikum, my YouTube family. I hope you all are doing good and welcome to my another vlog. So today I'm going to take you with me on Ikea tour, Ikea or Ikea, whatever you call it. But first, if you are new here, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm posting new videos every week. And please don't forget to leave a comment for me because your comment encourages me to do more and I love to see your comments. So let's start our tour. Okay, so for me, whenever I go to IKEA, I feel like I am in home. It's completely like everything under one roof, from furniture to bathroom essentials to kitchen essentials to household item, everything under one roof. And on the top, you will find the delicious food as well. So there is no reason to not to visit IKEA. You should visit IKEA if you have in your country. So in this video, I will be showing you some room tours, some kitchen essentials and other items that you need to have in your home. And if you don't need to have it, just enjoy it. I know you will enjoy this video, so watch the video till the end. In this area is all about couches, sofa sets, chairs, and these chairs are so comfortable. I simply just love this chair, the one next to Mustafa, and he liked this bamboo one and he wants to sit here. As you can see, he was enjoying there as well because everything is so comfortable. As I told you, it's like home, so he was very comfortable. And here he's serving you some coffee and tea. See? So this is pretty much about it. The lights, and just look at it, just picture it. Can you see, please? I just simply love this area. The couches were so comfortable and you just want to grab them and take them in your home. Just trust me, everything. Okay, so just visual shop with me some IKEA living rooms. Okay, so this is pretty much about the living rooms, and of course there are more, but I just recorded few of them, the ones I liked. And these boxes are so useful. If you're visiting IKEA, please grab them for yourself. You can put almost anything in there, you can store anything in there. They are very useful. Okay, so this area is basically, it's like a model of small apartment where you have a small kitchen, but it's simply amazing. Small kitchen with a small living room. Can you see the couch out there? And then just next to it there is a bed. So it's just a small apartment. They showed you the model of it and it was amazing. Another kitchen tour. This is the kitchen with the dining, and of course the beautiful lamp on the top. Who doesn't love this? Wallahi, yani this place is like home. And the coffee area for all the coffee lovers. Can you see? Can you grab the ideas? Oh my god, it's just amazing. I want to buy everything. I just want to have everything from IKEA. Okay, so as I told you that you will find everything under one roof, so I do remember my father, whenever we visit IKEA, he used to buy tools for himself. As you can see, the nails on the top there, nails, hammers, these kind of things. He just simply loved these things, so he buy whatever he likes, even though if he had them, but he loves to buy. Okay, so these baskets are basically to store fruits and vegetables, but you can use it for multiple purpose, like to store your kitchen towels, kitchen cloth pieces, etc. Now here you can see kitchen organization and stuff, and it's only 17 real, the white one with the holders as well. This one is for 19 real, the another one is for 25 real, and I simply love it that they changed the color. Now this year they have in golden as well, this rail. And this is one of my favorite thing in IKEA, the magnetic rod that you can use for multiple purpose, for your knives or for the spoon, for anything. And it comes in 2 different colors, I think, silver and black, and in different sizes as well. Okay, so here is another room, and this room is so beautiful. The color combination, the contrast of the colors. Can you see the cutest baby crib out there? And the bed, everything is just on the point, just perfect, even the wardrobe. And I'm gonna show you one thing. Look, when you open the wardrobe, so there is LED light on the top. It's pretty cool, right? Okay, so here is another room for the girls especially. It's so pinky, it's so colorful. I just simply loved it. It's so elegant. The colors are very well balanced. They use the mustard, the turquoise, some bluish, and the pink color together to make this room, and I like it. Okay, this one is my dream wardrobe. Inshallah, one day I'm gonna have fun like this. It's a walk-in wardrobe, and it's just in front of you. You can see why I love it. Okay, so here is a room for the kids. You can see the small table there with the chairs and the small wardrobe out there. And here goes another room for the kids. And everything is so good. You have a lot of space in the wardrobes to organize different things. This is for the boys especially. I know you can relate to this. If you are living on a place where there is IKEA, you must have these spoons. I know these colorful spoons, everyone have them. At least one set of it, the plates and the spoons. At least I know I have them, and in my family everybody has them. Okay, so here are some bed sheets, bed covers for the kids, for their cribs, and some bathtubs, some potty training seats, different things. You'll find almost everything here.
In a safer environment by washing your hands regularly and practicing proper sneezing etiquette. Kindly dispose of your masks and gloves in appropriate designated areas.
Okay, so in IKEA you also find the kids' toys as well as the stationery stuff like paints, markers, colors, boards, some beads, some different kind of activities. So here are a few of them.
In a safer environment by washing your hands regularly.
Okay, now it's food time, and who doesn't love IKEA food? And one more thing, they are very clever because they make their area like a maze. When you go upstairs, it's like a maze. You move around and around and around, and then you become tired. Once you become tired, you feel hungry, and then when you are hungry, in just front of you, in front of your eyes, you find a food court, and you cannot resist the yummiest food. And this happened with us as well, and every time. So here is the food time. Hungry? You want to eat? Whoa. Wait. 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 Right. Want to buy this one? This? You like it? Yes? Mustafa, come here, Mustafa. Okay, so the downstairs is all about the crockery, the kitchen essentials, and few other stuff. So these bamboo bowls are so famous, I know, and everybody loves them. You might think I'm saying I love it, I love this, I love that, but I'm telling you, everything meant to be loved. So I love everything. This one is new item and it's super cute. I like it. This is very cute. Some table runners here in different colors and different designs. Some placemats. Some trays, serving trays. Can you see this one? The wooden one, the big one. The glasses, you will find different prices glasses here and they are worth buying. Not everything is expensive in IKEA. You will find almost all different kind of prices here. Few things are for 3 real, few of them for like about 5 real, 10 real, 15, 20 different prices, so everyone can afford it. Some of their world famous cooking range. The bakeware from IKEA. This is all about the baking areas. And I simply just love another thing there. Can you see the apron, the baby apron? I'm getting one from Mustafa because he likes to cook with me in the kitchen. So I will give him one. He will enjoy. This one is also from the new item and it's super cute. The serving tray for the cakes. Okay, so here is the measuring jug and it comes in 2 different sizes. Unluckily, I broke mine, so I'm gonna get one. This is all about the dishwashing thing, and here are the dishwashing gloves. This one is the mat for the dish rack. The tray, and you can just attach it to your sink and the water goes directly into the sink. Okay, so this one is the adorable thing. As you can see, this is a small dispenser. You open it and then you can fill in there the liquid soap for the dishwasher and then just wash your dishes. Some curtains, some laundry area, the laundry baskets. Even you can use this basket for multiple purposes as well. Some lights, lamps. Mirrors. Who doesn't love mirrors? Okay, if you are like me and you love plants, then you don't want to go away from this place. They just look real plants, but they are not real. They are fake. IKEA has real and fake both plants, and they all are fake plants, but they are so beautiful. You just want to buy all of them. They have different kind of decorating stuff as well. Some artificial flowers, plants, some decorative stuff, but I couldn't show everything because the video will be too long, and I think it's already long enough. This is their warehouse. Just look at their strategy. If even you are done buying everything, you're done with your shopping, they display different things. They display different things everywhere. So if you think, okay, I forgot to buy this one, now it's here in front of you, you just grab another thing. And this one is the SS area. It's basically the area where if there is any item that has a default, they put them there, and you will, if you are lucky, you will find a good thing in good price as well. And of course, you cannot leave IKEA without having the cookies. So here's the IKEA cafe, and I always grab 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies for myself, for my kids.
Good.
Good, yummy. And this is pretty much about the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And when you hit the bell icon, you do the notification for everything. Otherwise, you will not get my notification. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. And don't forget to leave a comment for me, because your comment give me appreciation to do more, and I love to see your comments. Please don't forget to give a comment, okay? Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.